Now, let's get started. Time for an opening! An opening! I see it all.
Leave it to me.
An opening! An opening! Time for a count. It's no use! I see it all. Time for a counterattack. I'll end this! It's over! To the front. Too slow. I see it all. An opening!
Leave it to me.
Time for a counterattack. You're an unworthy opponent. It's just business as usual. I see it all. Too slow. Time for a counterattack. You can't avoid it! I see it all.
Leave it to me.
Time for it. It's no use.
Leave it to me.
It's over. Take this. To the front. This is the end. I see it. An opening. To the front. Too slow. Time for a counterattack.
Leave it to me.
It was a good fight. I know you're still alive. Why did you play dead? Kung Tishik was brutal and shrewd enough to cut your vocal cords. You're even more of a scumbag than Kung Tishik. You're not leaving this dungeon alive. slow. Take this. This is the end.
Leave it to me.
To the front. Too slow. It's over. Time to open it. This is the end. Tearing through. I see it all. There's been a change in the atmosphere.
Leave it to me.
Too slow. You can't avoid it! Time for a counterattack. It's no use. You're an unworthy opponent.
So that bastard Kang Tae-shik was contracted to kill all the other hunters. But the survivors closed the dungeon and sealed it. That means they had something to hide. Mr. Sung, we meet again. I came down here to ask you all a few questions. I hope for your cooperation. Let me cut to the chase. Who killed the B-rank hunter Kang Tae-shik?
I can't hide the fact that I've reawakened any longer.
It was me.
How did a C-rank hunter like you...
Don't you know who was with me? She's Lee Ju-hee, a B-rank healer.
I suppose you could have beaten a B-rank hunter if you had support. However, Kang Tae-shik was able to hide his motives from the entire surveillance team. Is a C-rank hunter with a missing arm really capable of beating a guy like that? Mr. Sung Jinwoo, the incident where Hwang Dong-suk's squad was wiped out. Hwang Dong-suk's younger brother is the hunter Hwang Dong-soo. Chances are you now have a target on your back. I suggest you lay low.
Sir, these are the members of our strike squad!
Injured guys, alcoholics, and really a kid?
Hey, I'm a full-fledged hunter.
Legally, we need at least 10 hunters in order to enter a C-rank gate. All you have to do is stay near the entrance.
Taking on a C-rank dungeon by themselves?
They're just trying to act tough. You know what they say, pride goeth before a fall.
Oh, you guys must have backed out!
They didn't back out!
What the? You guys defeated the boss?
The gate is closing!
Where to next?
The next dungeon is about an hour away from here, sir.
What? Who'd pay 250 million won to enter a C-rank gate alone?
I think he's the son of Yujin Construction's chairman.
And Sung Jinwoo, survivor of the double dungeon? D-rank Yujin Ho and E-rank Sung Jinwoo. Get me everything you can find on these guys!
I see it.
It's no use. An opening!
It's over.
Leave it to me.
Time for a count. Too slow. I see it all.
I'll open the path.
It's no use. Time for a counterattack.
I'll shred you!
Leave it to me.
I see it all. Too slow. It was a good fight. I'm ready. Time to warm up. Time for an opening.
Take this! I'll shred you!
Leave it to me.
An opening!
I see it all.
An opening! This is the end! You can't avoid it! This is the end!
Time for a too slow. It's over.
I'll open the path.
Tearing through. You're an unworthy opponent. I'll end this quickly. Time for an opening. I see it all.
An opening! This is the end!
Leave it to me.
An opening! I'll end this! I'll shred you!
I'll open the path.
He's been hiding skills like that all this time? I feel like he's gotten even stronger.
Now I can handle werewolves easily. Oh, nice. I leveled up. Oh, look at me. It was a good fight. So, let's try.
An opening! This is the end! It's over!
Time for
An opening! You can't avoid it! I'll end this!
I will open the path.
This is the end! It's over! It's no use!
You're an unworthy opponent. So, I'm ready.
Take this! I'll shred you!
I see it all. To the front. Too slow. Time for a counterattack.
It's over! I'll end this!
I see it all.
It's no use!
I will open the path.
I'll shred you!
To the front. Too slow.
Leave it to me.
An opening! This is the end! It's over! Tearing through!
Time for a count.
An opening! Take this!
To the front. Too slow. It was a good fight. Time to warm up.
An opening! I'll end this!
Let's to the front. Too slow.
This is the end!
Leave it to
It's over!
I will open the path.
Tearing through! I'll shred you! This is the end!
I'll open the path.
It's over. Time for a count. It's no use. The camouflage skill and the runestone I got from Kang Tae-shik. It's a lot more efficient than my other skills. Requirements? A job change quest. You're an unworthy opponent.
What the hell? What's going on here?
Who are you?
The adults are working right now, so don't get in the way.
I'm a hunter too.
You're a hunter?
Yeah.
The two went in by themselves without taking along any of their teammates? Sung Jinwoo, if I'm right about you, you'll be the rookie of the century.
The squad leader is back! Get ready to leave!
Excuse me, Mr. Sung Jinwoo?
What the? Is he from the Hunters Association too?
It's a pleasure to meet you. My name is An Sung-min, and I'm in charge of the White Tiger Guild's management team, 2nd Division.
White Tiger Guild?
Let me cut to the chase. Mr. Sung, I came to ask you to join us. We'll double whatever Yujin Construction offered you.
Before we go, how did you find out about me?
Did he camouflage himself?
Don't turn around.
We didn't mean to run a background check on you at first. After receiving intel that someone was blazing through the C-rank dungeons, we did some research.
I don't want any more people knowing about me.
I'll inform my subordinate about your wishes.
Thank you. I see that we've caused trouble for the White Tiger Guild by taking all the C-rank dungeons. I'll sell you 3 of the C-rank gate entry permits we've reserved.
Then, what's your asking price for all 3 gates?
300 million won for each gate.
We may be a major guild, but 300 million is still pushing it. How about 200 million?
Done.
Do we have a deal?
Ah, by the way, this is a gift. Open your mouth for me, please.
What's this? Would it be all right for me to assume that I've earned your trust?
Only if you keep your word.
What the? I failed to scout him and got scammed? Who is he? Deals should only be made on the basis of trust, huh? He's a tricky one. Whatever. At least I know Sung Jinwoo's number now.